Welcome students. Welcome students biology. After 4 years, I am back here to help you in your subjects. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to discuss about 3 domains of life, which is very important chapter of CBSE or ICSE boards. So we need to understand not in detail, but we need to learn what are basic structural differences or salient features or differences they have in these 3 domains. So use of the name of scientist who differentiated entire living organism into 3 subcategories or 3 main domains. Okay. So first one is bacteria, second one is archaea, and number 3 is eukarya. Bacteria is differentiated from archaea from various type of structural features, but both of them are prokaryotic cell. But in case of eukarya, they consist eukaryotic cells. Okay, so right here, bacteria is prokaryotes. Archaea is also prokaryotes, but eukarya is eukaryotes. Bacteria can be aerobic or not anaerobic. Archaea also can be aerobic and anaerobic, but eukarya remains aerobic, or they needs oxygen. However, archaea can live in desiccative environment where normal life cannot be occurred like bacteria and eukarya. They cannot present in those places. Archaea present in that places like marshy area, guards of ruminant animals, salty lakes, or very hot or cold lake, they can survive. They also found in volcanoes. Their cells looks like bacteria. Some structural features or structural differences they have. The ribosome of bacteria is 70S, from where protein can be synthesized. You know this very well. This is also 70S, but in case of eukarya, it is 80S. Okay. Bacteria cell wall made up of peptidoglycan, where structural feature is N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyluramic acid. We will learn about peptidoglycan in upcoming videos. That's made up of peptidoglycan. Archaea does not have peptidoglycan in their cell. They have pseudopeptidoglycan. You need to learn this in very simplified way. Eukarya varies in their categories or subcategories. Plants have cell wall made up of cellulose, but animal does not have cell wall. The first sequenced amino acid of bacteria is formal methionine. Formal methionine. In case of archaea, it is methionine. And it is same for eukarya. This is also first sequence amino acid is methionine. Here we discuss about DNA dependent RNA polymerase is varies for 3 categories. In case of archaea, in case of eukarya, it is 3. In case of bacteria is 1, and in case of archaea, it's several. The main features, main structural features, if we discuss, in case of their cell membrane, bacteria, archaea and eukarya. Archaea cell membrane have branched hydrocarbon chains which attached with glycerol by ether linkage. and for bacteria and eukarya it is ester linkage. In case of bacteria, there is the lipid made up, their cell membrane made up of unbranched fatty acid which attach with glycerol via ester linkage. In case of archaea, we can give example of archaea like methanogens, thermoacidophils and halophils. So we will make a dedicated video on archaea in the next tutorial video. If you give example of bacteria, there is various kind of bacteria like gram positive, gram negative, mycoplasma, etc. Archaea I have already given example, and eukarya there is current cell or primitive type of plants, animals, they are all in eukarya category. Okay. If I make another thing, you need to understand the phylogeny. There is one thing is Luca, that is last unknown common ancestor. If this is Luca, and Luca have two hands, in left hand and right hand. Bacteria placed in left hand. And the right hand or the right branch of this Luca is one is archaea, another is bacteria. So archaea resembles, despite this looks like bacteria, archaea resembles with eukarya. Sorry, this will be eukarya. Archaea relates with eukarya because they have various kind of structural features, or they resembles more on eukarya. They are intermediate type of organism. So I have placed archaea in middle area. So in next tutorial video, we will learn about archaea and their categories or subcategories, whatever, with their structural and their salient features. We'll learn about this. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit a thumb. We'll back again. So stay happy and keep learning. Thank you.